Today we're going to do something crazy and try a product that's made in Germany that claims to be one of the best engine flushes. Exoto Atom X Total Engine Flush. Check out this oil. We're bringing it to extremely high temperatures and we've scorched the top of this engine. That's right. This way we can test this product and see if it really is Germany's best engine flush. Now let's go ahead and remove the valve cover. This way you guys can see just how much damage was actually done. I'm going to torture this engine and make sure this stuff actually works, but I definitely have my doubts. Guys, do you have any experience with this product? Please let me know in the comments below. We've heated and burnt this oil very badly. Now I'm going to break my torch out as soon as I get this valve cover off, and then torch the top of this engine. Atom X Total Flush Revitalizing has its work cut out for it. Absolutely don't try this at home. We're going to make sure that this oil is in the worst condition that it can possibly be in before it's inside that engine. Then we'll torch it. I've been told by a lot of people that engine oil flushes aren't safe and they can cause leaks. Please let us know what your experience is, because a lot of people have these questions, and we'll see just what happens with this mower. Will it cause the gasket to leak with all these problems? Well, I definitely wouldn't be surprised as much as the engine's been tortured. I'm ready to piece this engine back together and get this test started. Although I probably destroyed the engine, but we definitely got to see if this stuff works. If you're using an engine flush to clean your engine, please let us know what it is. It can go a great way to help the others in the NIA community. Also, if you don't use an engine flush because you've had a bad experience, please let us know that as well. Atom X is universal, or a miracle in a bottle. Amazing. No, I'm just kidding, but it does say that it is universal. Now we'll go ahead and take a look at these instructions and the claims on Atom X. Adamex Total Flush Oil System Cleaner, Revitalizant. Universal Total Flush. Oil change without prior flushing of the oil system leads to problems. Application instructions. Warm up the engine to normal operating temperatures. Turn off the engine. Introduce the compound into the oil filler neck. Start the engine. Cleans oil system of vehicles. Anti-carbon effect for piston rings. For gasoline and diesel engines, safely and quickly removes all kinds of contaminants. Now we're going to use the syringe to measure just how much Adamex we'll actually need. Then we'll run this in the engine. The product claims to use it for about 15 minutes, but we'll make sure to apply a heavy load, take the temperatures, and so on. I'm going to cut some grass. This way we'll have the engine under a heavy load. Finally, the moment of truth. Let's take off this valve cover and see just how well this stuff actually works or doesn't work. Make sure to let us know in the comments below what you think about this product. I really don't like to give my opinion. I don't promote any of these products. Well, can you guys see a difference? Let's go back and take a look at what this looked like before using the product. Now we'll jump back in and see how it looks after using the product. Be sure and let us know what we should try next. And as always, thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.